Welcome or welcome back to Crafty Nurse Q. If you're new here, my name is Q Goddess. I'm so happy you're joining me today. On this channel, I do all things budget related. I am budgeting by the grace of God. I'm working to get out of debt. And today I am doing my cash stuffing for the third week in August and just praying and thankful to God that all things are coming together and He has been good. So thank you for joining me, and we're going to get this cash stuffing started. Okay, so I need to put 75 into this envelope. To get these tides first. That's the very first thing always that I do. I used to just take it all out at the front of the budget, but sometimes if there's different money to come in, then I just do it that way. And then I'm starting with these expense trackers now in here. Oh, and I did have something left in here. I have 5 left in coffee, but that's okay. You can just roll. You know what? I'm gonna take it out because if I have something extra, I do want to be putting that into my rollover. Okay, so I'm getting 10 today for coffee. So I did pretty good then with coffee. The dining out is getting its normal 100, and I didn't do so bad with dining out, but it's like the other expenses kind of eat up, like where I saved on one area, but it's okay. And 60 in gas. Gas wasn't bad either. It was like what, 59. Okay, the kids did have a 10 like out there, so I won't be saving. I'll be rolling it over because we did just start school, so anything extra in there will help. All right, it's going to get 40. So now they have 50 for this week. And our given envelope is getting $10, $15. And it is, it's more blessed to give than receive. Because like I sat here and I recounted this money a few times, and I was like, sometimes it seems like you have no idea where the money is coming from, and I know that's nothing but God. When that happens, it's like you'll get like some money from nowhere. Sometimes that's what I'm telling you. That's why, like, even when the money is getting tough, I go ahead still, and my ties always come out. I don't even put them into the budget, but they always come off the top. And next we have what the spending. It's going to get 40. And self-care will get 40 as well. Okay, and the other one I'm doing today, I'm going to do this debt snowball. Okay, so the debt snowball is getting 40 today. 20, 40, 60, 80, 110, 120. I'll write this later. Come back and write it. All right, and the month ahead binder. Okay, I'm going to add a couple of things to this binder. So what I'm adding here today is I am adding a tracker for the month ahead fund so that I know when they are funded, I will be taking the money out of the fund and placing it into this envelope that I'm also adding into this month ahead binder. Also, I am going to add some fully funded trackers, some fully funded placeholders anytime that they are completed. So when I looked into my month ahead fund, so I was going through and changing my bills and, just renegotiating some of them. So also my internet is fully funded. So that was $30 is fully funded. The P.O. box, which is $25 now, I had saved a lot more for the P.O. box. I had saved like 3 months. And my storage is fully funded already, and the subscriptions are already fully funded. So I'll just be taking the money out of those envelopes and placing it into the one just one big envelope, and I will be placing fully funded placeholders that you see over here on the left into all of them as they get funded. That way it's not so much for me to try to keep up with because it'll make the videos so long each time and I get confused So it's a lot better for me to do it this way. That's that rollover money. Okay, the new amount that I need for these now. Let's write this. So 30 plus 25, 30 plus 25 plus 75 plus 180, 310. So anything over that, all of that's going to go to the cell phone. So I need to have 310. Just going to organize this money real quick. Okay, so that's 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80. That's 390. Yeah, because I had a whole bunch more in this, what was it, PO box. I thought I needed like one, I don't know. I saved more than I needed, so that's excellent. So 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90. That's 390, and I was adding 60 to it today. 20, 40. Wait, it's gonna go to the next thing. So this is 390, and I said I need 310. So let me put the 310. 20, 40, 60, 83. So this represents 310 right now. That's how much these need to be funded, the ones that I'm representing. And now let's go to the cell phone and see. We might be able to get a lot closer today. Let's see how much we have in here. I need 230. So I had 200 on there before, but once I did, I was negotiating some of the bills. Some of them changed, so let's see. Now I know what they are, what the current status of them are. This stuff changes. Nothing really stays the same. Okay, I have 20, 40, 60, 81, 120, 130, 145. Okay, so I have 145. I am going to change this to 5. Just make each of these worth $5. And then 5 times 50 is 250. That's closer. Okay. 20, 20, 30, 145. So 145 divided by 5. 29. So 29 need to be filled in. That's 6, 12. You're pretty close to it now. 18. It's 24. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Okay. All right. I'm change this. Needs to change now too. That's the new goal. All right. So we're going pretty good here. All right. And I must not have added the extra 60, 20, 40, 50. Nope, I couldn't have. 40, 50, 60. So let me add some more to this. So we are really getting really close with this thing. Okay, so 60 would be $60 divided by 5. So 12 more. Okay. $20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 92, 205. Yeah, it's almost done. Okay. All right, so next time this one will be done when I put the other 60 next week. Well, my next cash stuffing for month ahead anyway. It will be done, and then I'll be moving on to the next one. Now that's excellent. Okay. All right. Let's see where we are next. Okay, let's do. This is the last thing. Is these savings challenges, and I save my 20s, my 10s, 5s, and 1s. Okay. So for the 1s challenge, mark off another one. all get counted when they're done. Okay. Actually, I got 2 now, don't I? So I can work up 2 of these 5s. Okay. All right, 10s. Another one. And the 20s. They'll all be pretty much at the same spot unless I have some extra. So 1, 2, 3, 20 now. Okay. 3, 20. And I have these in here 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 83, 10, 3, 20. Those have what they need. All right. And that is it for today's cash stuffing. Make sure you check out the video on how I set up my sinking funds, and coming later in the week, I will be doing a sinking funds video, savings challenge video as well. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Stay blessed. Okay, bye.